Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to reset site permissions on Google Chrome using the latest update. This is a straightforward process that can help you manage what information websites can access. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can find the colorful Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once you've launched it, navigate to the website whose permissions you want to reset. Next, open the site you want to adjust. Simply type the web address in the address bar and hit enter. Wait for the page to load completely before proceeding. Now, look for the View Site Information icon located next to the web address in the address bar. This icon usually looks like a padlock or an information symbol. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to the site's security and permissions. From this menu, select Open Site Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can see all the permissions currently granted to that specific site, such as location access, notifications, and camera usage. Now, here comes the crucial step. Click on Reset Permissions. This option will revert all permissions for that website back to their default settings. It's a great way to ensure that any changes made previously are undone, giving you a fresh start with that site. After clicking Reset, you'll need to confirm this action. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure about resetting the permissions. Confirm your choice, and just like that, all permissions for that site will be reset. That's it. You've successfully reset site permissions on Google Chrome. This process not only helps in managing your privacy, but also enhances your browsing experience by giving you control over what sites can access. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from resetting their site permissions in Chrome. Happy browsing!